Are you feeling that AI FOMO? You know that little voice in your head that says everyone else is figuring this out and you're getting left behind? Well, guess what? You're not behind. Not yet, anyway. The truth is, most people still have no idea how to really use AI effectively. But don't you worry, because we are going to fix that right now. Let's dive in. So check this out. The source for this entire breakdown makes a pretty wild promise. Just by getting through this, you'll know more about AI than 90% of the population. The goal here isn't just to get you caught up, it's to slingshot you way ahead of the curve. In fact, forget the 90%. Our goal here, to give you the playbook to get into the top 1%. Seriously, let's do this. Okay, first things first. Before we can use it, we gotta understand what this machine is actually doing. And here's the secret. AI isn't magic. It's not some all-knowing brain in the cloud. It's just really good pattern recognition. At its very core, this is all AI is doing. It's looked at a massive chunk of the internet, text, videos, you name it, and broken it all down into little pieces called tokens. Its entire job, its whole purpose for existing, is to predict the most likely next token. It's exactly like when someone says twinkle, twinkle, little, and your brain just instantly screams star. That's the whole game, right there. So if it's just a prediction engine, how do we get amazing, useful results from it? Well, it all comes down to one thing: the quality of your prompt. Mastering this is without a doubt the single most foundational skill you can learn in AI. And this right here is the perfect prompt recipe. 4 simple steps. First, give it a role. Tell it to act like a world-class strategist or a hilarious comedian. This narrows its focus. Second, give it context. The more background you feed it, the smarter it becomes about your situation. Third, the command. You have to be super explicit. Don't assume it knows anything. And finally, format. Tell it exactly how you want the answer back. Do you need bullet points, a table, a CSV file? Be specific. This is the golden rule. You have to burn this into your brain. If you give AI a lazy one-sentence prompt, you're going to get a lazy, generic answer back. It's garbage in, garbage out. But if you give it rich, detailed, thoughtful input, you will get a fantastic output every single time. Okay, so you've got the fundamentals down. Now let's get to the really fun part, the advanced technique that separates the amateurs from the pros. This is how you flip the script and make the AI do the heavy lifting for you. See, this requires a huge mindset shift. Most people use what's called push prompting. That's where you do 80% of the work, feeding the AI every little step. It's like giving someone turn-by-turn driving directions. The pro way, that's pull prompting. That's where you just tell the AI the destination, the final outcome you want, and let it act like your GPS, figuring out the best route to get there. So how do you actually do it? It's really simple. You still start with the role and context, but then you state your objective as an outcome. Something like, I need a killer marketing sequence that turns cold leads into customers. And here is the magic phrase. You tell it, ask me all the questions you need to create this for me. And then you just answer its questions. It pulls the right information out of you. Now, this pull method is a complete game changer on its own. But if you want to reach like the final boss level of AI mastery, you have to go one step further. You need to build an AI that's truly personal to you, an assistant that gets you. You do this with something called a master prompt. Think of it as a user manual about you. It's a document that contains all the important context about your work, your goals, your style, how you think. When you feed this to any AI, the generic answers just disappear. Everything it gives you back becomes laser-focused on your world. And for all those tasks you have to do over and over again, that's where you create a system prompt. This isn't about you personally. It's like a perfect, reusable recipe for a specific result you need all the time. This is how you build little AI machines that automate complex work, so you can focus on what's new. So how do you make a master prompt? It's actually super easy. You just use the pull method we talked about. Tell the AI your goal, and then ask it to ask you all the questions it needs. Pro tip, use the voice-to-text feature on your phone to just talk out your answers. It's way faster. Then just refine it a bit, save it, and boom, you have a file you can upload to any AI to give it instant context about you. Here's the bottom line. If your AI outputs sound generic and boring, it's because it doesn't know you. It's a stranger. The master prompt is what transforms that generic tool from a stranger into your most effective, clued-in personal assistant. Okay? So you've learned how to master the machine. But let's be real, this technology is moving at lightning speed. So now we need to talk about the 3 human skills that AI just can't touch. This is how you future-proof your career. The first one is taste. This is your ability to know what is truly great. You develop taste by immersing yourself in excellence in your field, studying the best, following the top creators, and really understanding what separates the good from the truly exceptional. It's an internal compass for quality that a machine can't replicate. The second is vision. A machine is amazing at optimizing what already exists, but a human can imagine what doesn't exist yet. That's our superpower. And you cultivate it by scheduling time to just think, to plan, to explore wild ideas. Your job is to have the vision. AI's job is to help you build it. And the third, and maybe the most important of all, is care. As AI takes over all the boring, repetitive work, what's left for us? The human stuff. Connecting with people, collaborating with our teams, showing genuine empathy. An AI can simulate caring, but it can never, ever truly care. And that's the ultimate takeaway. When you master the machine and you double down on these uniquely human skills, AI stops being a threat. It's not your replacement. It becomes your most powerful tool, a weapon you wield to bring your vision to life. So you're not behind anymore. You are officially ahead of the game. But remember, 10 minutes of action beats 10 hours of watching tutorials. So my question to you is, what's it going to be? What is the first daily task you're going to master with AI, starting today?